just can't miss at all.
At all.
At all.
At all.
There's no forgiveness.
No.
You should just hit an iron off the tee.
Or just putt it.
Just, yeah, hit a wedge. See, look, I made it.
You're gonna love this one.
Welcome back to another episode at A Global Dosage of Golf. Today we're playing a very special golf course. Today we're playing Squaw Creek. Now this is surrounded by the Sierra Mountains and it's just so majestic. Just look at that. Squaw Valley is also known as the Olympic Valley. It's one of the largest ski areas in the United States and it's known for hosting the 1960s Olympic Games.
Are you serious? Like this is where we're playing today?
It's pretty incredible that you can see the ski lifts all around the golf course, and it comes to play on a few holes as well. That's it. Oh, that's it.
Wow.
Oh, good value, man.
Nice one. I hit a perfect shot, just short. You know, so far I've learned don't be short and don't miss left on this course. Okay, wish me luck.
Good luck. God bless.
In the hole, right?
Look at that. All right, what a shot.
See, look, I made it. First try. Okay, for real, take two.
Okay, here we go. Take two.
Take two. Heads up. Carolina, what do you think of this golf course so far?
It's very, very beautiful. I think that, you know, the mountains, the Sierra Nevada mountains, whatever that is,
Yeah.
which we're gonna do our homework and look it up. They're just gorgeous. Like, we are down at the valley right now, and the valley holes are all super scenic.
Yes.
Like, I say this a lot, like photo opportunity basically every shot.
Every
right?
shot.
Then we're about to go back up into the mountains, and those holes were super narrow and hard.
Yes.
Right?
Yeah. I
Which-
feel like a lot, like here, like on the holes that are down in the valley, you can definitely not miss left, honestly. But
I mean, you should
when
never
you're
miss left. Trust me, I would not.
and then when you go up in the mountains, you just can't miss at all.
At all.
At all.
At all.
There's no forgiveness.
No.
You should just hit an iron off the tee.
Or just putt it.
Just, yeah, hit a wedge.
Oh, that's it.
Wow. Yeah, that's a great shot.
Good. Great shot.
If you know me at all, you know that I love link style golf courses, and I'd say the first few holes played more of a mountain course, and now the rest is pretty much all link style. Beautiful rolling undulations, rolling hills. Can you tell us a little bit about how this course is taken care of?
So a long time ago, this was just wetlands. And then for the 1960 Olympics, they filled in straw, and it was all parking lot. Basically, cars were parked here. The heavy snow area, sometimes there's 5 feet of snow right here. So over time, it takes a long time to melt. You can see the mountains around it. So in the spring, it doesn't melt very much. So what happens when you can't treat grass that's under snow, some things just don't grow, as you can see.
It's very naturally.
It's a
Naturally
real raw
kept.
golf course, yes.
Yeah.
Yep.
Perfect. Thank you.
You bet. Hit it well. Just a little short, but not that. You can putt that.
Good shot.
Go a little bit to the right. Good touch. Good
still
stroke.
roll- See these clouds right behind me? We're about to get poured on. The thunderstorms are super loud and scary. It's been a while since I've been caught in a thunderstorm, probably since my competitive days in Florida.
Oh, so good. Good shot.
Oh, it's raining. All right, everybody, thank you so much for tuning in. Oh, it's pouring rain. That's a good sign that this video is a wrap. Be sure to subscribe, like, and let me know what's your favorite thing to do in Tahoe whenever you're in the town, in the area, or what you'd like to do. See you guys in the next one. Okay, I said it was rain. We're getting rained out. That was false. This is hail, and it is, Jesus. I wonder if I can get one on camera. You got one? Oh, Jesus. It is hail. Hail. It's hailing. It's hailing like crazy. I'm getting back in the golf cart. What the heck? Ow.
Thank you.
Just straight, that's it? Okay. Here we go, in a hailstorm. extra boost. Cue the applause.
See, like, that stuff is scary.
Oh, baby, nuked it. Nuked it. I can't believe that we got to experience actual Tahoe weather, hail and all. It was pretty incredible to have that experience here on the golf course during the last few holes of the round. It's not every day you get to say that you golfed in the hail, and you stuck it out. We're still here playing. Oh my god, I hit such an awesome shot! You can't tell, it kind of blends. It blends with the hail. It is hailing like cats and dogs.
What
That's
the
saying,
hell?
right?
What
Like,
the hell?
these are hitting so hard. Oh. Like, just listen to the sounds. Actually, I don't know if you can hear them.
There it is.
Oh my god.
There's the sound. Those are hard.
I started straight up. Is my... What, I'm worried about my car.
We might not. Just kidding.
I'm legit scared. Oh my god.
There you go.
I don't know. We need to find shelter.
Let's go under that tent.
Okay. Alright, I think it's been called. It's insane. I don't even know what to do. Thank you so much for joining us here today at the links at Squaw Creek Resort. Be sure to hit that subscribe button on your way out, and if you know anybody heading out to the Tahoe region, be sure to share this with them. See you in the next one.